My name is Dr. K. Srinivasu from EC department. So today I am explaining the 4-bit adder and subtractor. Generative 4-bit adder and subtractor under the ADE lab. Analog and digital electronics lab. Analog and digital electronics labs. Under that one, next experiment is design and construct the 4-bit adder and subtractor. So how to construct or how to design 4-bit adder and subtractor? Before I am explaining the practical, now I will explain small theoretical part under the 4-bit adder and subtractor. Okay? So my dear students, all of you see the note here. So this is the pin diagram of the IC 74LS83. It consisting of 16-bit. So 16-bit. Actually, what you want? We want only 4-bit. So this is the circuit. This is pin diagram construction of the 4-bit adder and subtractor. So here, all of you see here. Please, all of carefully. So here, 74LS83. This is the IC number. The IC consisting of input switches A0, A1, A2, A3. So these are the XOR gates. XOR gates out inputs also B0, B1, B2 and B3. Next one. So this is the adder high XOR gate B0. Next E0, E1, E2, E3 are the output. So how to connect A0, A1, A2, A3 and B0, B1, B2, B3, E0, E1, E2, E3. So these are all the just like LEDs. These are all the LEDs. So how to connect it? This one. So procedure. Please all of you procedure. Connect the circuit as per circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. Connect A0, A1, A2, A3 to the input switches provides on the trainer kit. So this is the trainer kit. So using this kit, constructed the 4-bit adder and subtractor. Okay. So here, please all of you A0, A1, A2, A3 of the IC pin. So here, so these are connected to the LEDs. Next, connect the XOR gates output to IC74LS83. XOR gate, these are XOR gate. So the XOR gates outputs are connected to this pin. Okay. So B0, B1, B2, B3 term as shown in the circuit diagram. Next one, connect the input terminal XOR. So these are the XOR gate. So XOR gate input terminals. Terminal XOR gate input switches provided and trainer kit and connect the B0. So here please all of you B0, B1, B2, B3. So these are all connected to the LEDs. So next one, connect to E0, E1, E2 with the terminals of this one. So this one will go E0, E1 just like outputs. These are outputs. We connect the input terminal to another XOR gate input provided on trainer kit. Okay. So here first I am explaining the adder. After that subtractor. Okay. So only 4-bit. So these are the truth table of the 4-bit adder. Please all of you see one. Truth table 4-bit adder inputs. So A0, A1, A2, A3. So B0, B1, B2, B3. These are all the inputs. So outputs count to. Next output E0, E1, E2, E3. Okay, count means carry. So, okay, 4-bit adder. So please all of you see, now according to the circuit diagram, I will connect it. Okay. So here, so these wires are called the patch wires. Using these wires, so A0 connected to LED 1. This one A0. Next one A1. This is the A1. So these wires are patch cord are connecting wires. Okay. Next one A2. Please all of see this one A2. A2 connected LED 2. Next one A3. These are inputs. A3 connected to LED 3. Next one XOR gate inputs B0, B1, B2, B3 are connected again here also. Okay. A0. So here A0. Next one B1. Please all of see the diagram, how to give the connections, very important. The connections are, if you give properly, then only you will get in the accurate outputs. If you have done mistake, you did not get the output properly. Okay? A2. Next one, A3. I mean B3 connected to here, B3. Okay? Two inputs are there. And XOR gate inputs B0, B1, B2, B3 connected LEDs. Next one A0, A1, A2, A3 are connected to LEDs. So these two are inputs. So for adder means for adder what do you want? Two numbers are required. So A0, B0, A1, B1, A2, A3, A2, B2, A3, B3. So when these two are mixed, then only you will getting the output. Okay, these two inputs are over. Now I will connect the output. Okay, E0 to connected here. Okay, E0. So here S0. According to trainer kit S0 is nothing but E0. Next one S1, I mean E1 connected here. E1, E2 to here, E3 is this here, E3. Okay, so these are the connections of the 4-bit adder. 4-bit adder. Okay, for adding of this one, two inputs are required. Okay, so one more mode. So why this mode is required? For adder, so then only adder. For example, adder means 0, subtractor 1. Okay, okay, so these are the connections of the adder. So according to the truth table, according to the truth table, now I will explain. I will apply the inputs. Okay, so here A3. So these are the please all of see one. These are the A0, A1, A2, A3. So these are all the first all are zeros. Okay, first these are also zeros. All are zeros. Before giving the inputs, apply the voltage. All are put the 0 modes. That 0 volts. Okay. So first condition A0 is 0, A1 0, A2 0, A3 0. So B0 1, B1 0, B2 0, B3 0. So when these two are combined, you will get in the outputs. So here carry is 0. Outputs S0 1, S1 0, S2 0, S3 0. E0, E1, E2, E3 like that. Okay, there is no confusing thing. Okay, so here now I am apply the all A's, all ones. Now I am on the switch. Okay, so A0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next B0. B0 is 1. Remaining 0, 0, 0. Output is carry 0, no carry. Output is, so here S0 1. Remaining 0, 0, 0. Okay? This is one condition. Next condition. A3, A3 also, age, put the A0, 1. A0, 1. Next, B0 also 1. Output is 0, 1. So here this is the, so this is the E0, I mean S0. S0 is 0. S1 is 1. Remaining is 0. Remaining is 0. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So the truth table is coincident or not? This is the theoretical. So these are the practically. Okay. So next condition, please all of you, third condition. This is over. This is also over. Now this condition. A0, this is the A0, third condition, A0, 0. 0 means 0. Next to A1, 1, 1. Next one, remaining 0. Let's come to here, B side. So B0 is 0. B0, 0. B0 is 0. B1, 1. Remaining 0. Output is carry 0. Output is S0, I mean E0, 0. Next E1, 0, I mean S1 is 0. S2, 1. S2. S3, 0. Okay, this condition also satisfied. Okay, next condition. Next condition. So according to this truth table, you will apply the voltage. So theoretically this one. Practically this truth table is implemented or not. Please check. So I am prepared the truth table. According to truth table, I show the practically. So now next condition. Next condition. So A side. Please all of you remember this is the A0, A1, A2, A3. Next one B0, B1, B2, B3. So please remember these inputs. If you are confusing, so sometimes some mostly what is the drawback of students, you are confusing. So please before give the inputs. So here this is the A0, A1, A2, A3, B0, B1, B2, B3. Please fix in your mind according to these inputs, according to this truth table, apply now. So next condition, that means fourth condition, A0, 1. This is A0, 1. Next A1, 1. A2, 0. A3 also 0. Next comes the B side. So B0, 1. B0, 1. Next to B1, 1. And remaining 0, 0. So if up, that is 1. If down, that is 0. Once LED is glown, that is the 1. Please remember. If LED is not glown, that is 0. Please, my dear students, please remember. If LED is glown, that is 1. If LED is not glown, that is 0. So here A0, 1, A1 is 1. A2, A3, 0. So like that, B0, 1, B1, 1, B2, 0, B3, 0. Okay. So what are the outputs? Here outputs no carry. So output is S0, 0. S0, 0. And S1, 1. S2, 1. S3, 0. So these are all the inputs. So once A plus B then gives the output. Okay, like that you will also make. Very, very important. Very simple conditions. Very simple. So last one, I'll show last one. Okay, last one. Please all of see this one. Remaining you can do. So here A0 here. A0, 0. Next A1, 1. A2, 0. A3, 1. A3, 1. Next one. B0, 1. B1, 1. B3, 0. B4, 1. Carries Carry is 1. So how did it get carry? Here. So this is the carry. Okay, S0 1. S1 0. S2 1. S3 0. Carry 1. Carry 1. Okay. So these are adder. 4-bit adder. 4-bit means A0, A1, A2, A3, 4 bits. Here also 4 bits. When these two are combined, automatically you will getting the outputs. Okay, this is the adder. So now you will, I am explaining the subtractor. 4-bit subtractor. Okay. So once again, before doing the subtractor, please try and kit off and remove the connections. Connections same. Connections all are same. So these are all put the 0 mode. All put on 0 modes. Okay. 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 Adder. I mean subtractor. Okay. These are the B0, B1 as to please all of you. And what I have done in adder, all things are same. But adder and subtractor difference is put during of the adder put the 0 mode, subtractor 1. So this is the now switch on the trainer kit. So here is the 0 mode. So whenever this is the 0 mode, that is the adder. If you are put the 1 mode, this is subtractor. During of the subtractor, first you put the on mode, 1 mode. So this is belongs to the subtractor and then start. If you are not put the one LED not blown, that become a adder. So now our experiment is subtractor. Then only I am put the 1. As usually next subtractor. Subtractor also same like that. So here all are put zeros. All are put zeros. First condition. Zeros A0, A1, A2, A3. All are zeros. So here B also 0, 0. All are 0. So borrow, I mean all are also 0. Okay. Okay. Next condition. Next condition. Next condition, this one. A0, 0, A1, 1. A1, 1. Remaining 0, 0. So here, please come here. B0, 1. Remaining 0, 0. So what is the output? So S0, 1. Remaining all are 0. No borrow. This is one condition. Next condition. A0, 1, A0, 1. 1 means up. A0, 1, A1 is 1, A2 and A3, 0, 0. Next one, B0. B0, 1. B0, 1 and remaining 0. B0 is 1, remaining 0. Output is 0, 1. Last one more, last condition, this one. Last condition, same procedure. So, A0, 0, A1, 1, the 0, A3, 1. Next one, B0, 1, B1, 0, B1, B2, 1, B3, 1. 1. Okay. So output is, so borrow is 1. So output is S0, 1. S0, 1. S1, 0. S2, 1. S3, 1. Okay. So this is the subtractor, 4-bit subtractor. Okay. My dear students, very simple adder and subtractor. For doing of the adder, this is put the 0 mode, that become a adder. If this one put the one mode, that is the negative. I mean one mode, that is the subtractor. So connections are same. What I have given adder, the same connections also applicable in subtractor also. Okay, my dear students, please remember. So here, before giving the connections, all voltage put the 0 mode and then give the connections. Okay, I hope understand this experiment. Thank you. Okay, thank you.